creams and oils and balms. Oh my! Having a baby can get pretty goopy. From preventing stretch marks on mama to tackling rashes on baby's super sensitive skin. But where can you go to get all the lotions, soaps, and ointments that you need without filling your home or your environment with a whole lot of nasty, harsh chemicals? Good news, I may have found the one-stop skincare shop that you're looking for. Hey mommies and daddies, Nellie here, and we are hunting down the best products for pregnancy, birthing, parenting, and beyond. We were just at the Prego Expo in Orlando when we came across this awesome company called Mommy Care. Their mission is to create high-quality skincare products for expectant mothers, babies, and kiddos with a focus on providing natural and safe solutions for delicate skin. Perfect for our little ones. I was able to get a full tour of all their products and the inside scoop on what makes Mommy Care stand out from the rest of the skincare pack. So follow me and let's get ready to grow.
When you got so many questions and you don't know what to do, it's Baby Steps with Nellie.
Hey everybody, this is Nellie from Baby Steps with Nellie. I am at the Prego Expo and I'm talking to Roman. He is part of Mommy Care and this is natural skincare for moms and babies. So we're gonna talk to him about what is going on with all of this stuff.
Mommy Care is a natural skincare for moms and babies. We have 4 categories for moms in different stages of pregnancy, during the pregnancy, after the delivery, and for breastfeeding. It's a family-owned company in Israel, and it's all started when the owner's wives became pregnant and they looked for a good product, for example, anti-stretch mark product, and they couldn't find anything good on the market, so they said, let's go and do it.
Let's just create it.
Yeah, let's create it. And this was the first product, and it's still one of the best sellers of the company.
And anti-stretch marks for pregnancy.
Yes.
That's fantastic. Yeah. Do you have that here as well?
Yeah.
Hold on, going back, beep, beep.
This
Oh,
is the
look at
product.
that.
We have it in 2 sizes.
Very cool.
We have a wide range of products for babies, from the first bath and diaper creams and creams, face creams, lotions for outdoor, different products against bugs.
Oh, okay.
For
So
the
like
hot-
mosquitoes,
Yeah.
mosquito balms and keeping
Yeah.
flies and stuff away. Yeah.
And we have a product for cold weather. This is our best seller, the facial wind and cold.
Oh, it's like a protection balm.
Yes.
Yes,
And this is good for
especially-
the entire family. People even use it on hands. Yeah, it's a great product.
We used to be from the Midwest and we know cold. I remember my kids' cheeks nice and red and rosy from being outside in the cold. Yeah.
The baby products, the outdoor products, and we have very interesting here category for cleaning, laundry, disinfection, and all these products are also with natural ingredients. For bottle and pacifiers and toys, we have lemon. It's foamy, it's nice. We just presented a new product for surface disinfectant.
So that's something that they can actually, you can spray on it, let it dry, and they can put it in their mouth. They're not going to get sick. Yep, exactly. Yep, going from the
And
beginning.
all with natural ingredients. You see all the ingredients here on the bottle.
It's hard to find good quality stuff to clean, to do your laundry, and to sanitize your house without all of those chemicals, and that they actually work. Because sometimes they go, oh, it's all natural, and it doesn't actually work very well. And then you end up using way more than you should have to,
We still use it, the kids are already big, but we use it for washing the fruits, vegetables. It's good. It's safe.
What is your stuff made from? What are your products made from?
We use natural ingredients. We don't use any oil products. So we avoid parabens, SLS, mineral oils. We don't have any harsh chemicals in the products. Most of our ingredients are organic. We're trying to keep as safe as possible, and all our baby products are good and safe for newborns. If you see the sign 0, this is very important because many manufacturers they do limitations for 1 month, 3 months. We are safe from day one.
From day one, and that's, granted, when babies are brand newborn, you don't want to really give them too many baths right away because you want that Vernex to really kind of protect their skin because their skin is so sensitive. But to have something that can be used from day one, I think that that's amazing that it's that gentle.
When it's a newborn, you not really want to wash him, right? You don't
Right.
need it.
They
So
don't
you
need it. They're not out getting dirty.
Exactly, exactly. Not sweating.
Yes, exactly.
So we
They're
have-
not playing in the mud puddles yet.
So we have this jojoba, jojoba oil, bath oil, just to put the oil inside the bath and you just rinse the baby. Everything is natural. You see all the ingredients. It's safe. Perfect product for the first bath.
Yeah, because I mean that's just helping their skin absorb that oil and to protect their skin for as they grow. Now, where can people get these products?
We sell on Amazon
Okay.
or Walmart.com. We sell it on our website, mommycareusa.com, and we're looking for new wholesalers, retailers.
This is great. I think that you guys are doing a wonderful work. This is Mommy Care and this is Roman. You guys got to check it out if you're looking for some good quality natural skincare for mommy and baby. Check them out. mommycareusa.com. Wow, that is quite an assortment. They're not just stopping at lotions and creams here, guys. I actually got to try out some of their products, including the stretch mark cream and the laundry detergent, and I gotta say, it's pretty good stuff. The lotions have a silky and smooth feel on the skin, and the laundry detergent leaves your clothes smelling fresh and not perfumey. I put a link for Mommy Care down in the show notes, or you can go to my website, babystepswithnelly.com, and click on Nelly's favorite products. I have a whole list of must-haves for your parenting adventure there. And as a special gift for my audience, the folks at Mommy Care are offering a 20% discount on their entire line. So just use my code Nelly20 at checkout from their website. Thanks, Mommy Care. For more tips and tools for your parenting adventure, like, subscribe, and check out the other videos here on my channel. And keep loving and growing with your kiddos.
It's Baby Steps with Nelly.